Hi guys, it is Alex here. Today I will be showing you how I set up my Arduino to move 30 degrees and 90 degrees. And then also by using my potentiometer to rotate the Arduino. So as you can see here, once I move this, my Arduino will also move accordingly to whatever direction I move it to. And then the buttons will move there, you get the initial position. Then I'll press one button and it'll move 90 degrees. And then I'll press another button and move 30 degrees. And one of the requirements is that it is not run by the computer, but just by a battery. So I'll show that working now. So there, you can see it is all off. And then I will connect the battery here. And then now you can see it is running and it is on. So now press button 1, 30 degrees, button 2, 90 degrees, and the potentiometer. And there it is, guys. Hope you enjoyed.